Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing one question. If minus pi 3, minus 8 5, k comma 7 are collinear, then find the value of k. According to the condition for collinear, if 3 points are said to be collinear, they lies on the same line. They lies on the same line means there is no forming a triangle. That's why we have to show that area of triangle 0. By taking area of triangle 0, we will find the value of k. First I am writing A is equal to minus pi 3, B is equal to minus 8 5, C is equal to k 7. Let area of triangle is 0. That implies 1 by 2 mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. I am substituting these values x1 y1 minus pi 3, x2 y2 minus 8 5, x3 y3 k 7. I am substituting these values. That implies 1 by 2 into x1 is minus 5 into y2 minus y3 5 minus 7 plus x2 minus 8 y3 minus y1 7 minus 3 plus x3 k y1 minus y2 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. That implies 1 by 2 into minus 5 into 5 minus 7 minus 2 minus 8 into 7 minus 3 4 plus k into 3 minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 into minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10 minus 8 into plus 4 minus 32 plus k into minus 2 minus 2k is equal to 0. 1 by 2 into 10 minus 32 is minus 22 minus 2k is equal to 0. That implies minus 22 minus 2k is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 0. Minus 2k is equal to plus 22. K is equal to 22 by minus 2. K is equal to 2 1s are 2 1s are minus 11. K is equal to 11 by minus 1, that is minus 11. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.